Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit and this is an ES300 protected with a Starline Pro. So if a thief copied that key, hopped in, tried to start the vehicle up, it's going to start and immediately switch back off. So what the customer can do, pair up their Bluetooth phone, or they can go for a push sequence. So we turn the Bluetooth on this connected phone, hear it disarm straight away, we can start the vehicle up and drive it. If their phone's not here, or it's gone flat and they're out one day, they can do a push sequence. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth off as if the phone's gone flat. They're now stuck out. So what they'll do, foot off the brake, double tap the start button to get your ignition on. When the ignition's on, then they'll put their code in. So top, bottom, receive a disarm tone, foot on the brake, start the vehicle up, it goes to ready, they can drive off. System also has a service mode, so if they want to turn the whole system off, take it back to Lexus to be serviced, they can go into the Starline key app. In here you'll have a key with a green circle, meaning it's protected. Put it in valet mode, press and hold till it goes to yellow. When it does, let go. We get 2 bleeps and now it's a normal car, so no code, no phone. It's going to start up. Lexus can road test it, service it, drive it around, leave it in their workshop. When you get it back, go back into the app, do the same thing again, press and hold back to green. And it's protected. So once again, if your phone's out of range, thief does a relay attack, copies his key, tries to start the vehicle up, see it goes to ready and then switches back off. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Starline Pro on an ES300 2019.